Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface indicator. This indicator pops up when we start the car of a Mercedes G-Wagon 2022. Model period is from 2019 till 2024, and this is how you can reset the indicator. First of all, press or turn the ignition to the first position. Have the airbag indicator over here popping up. Then use this area of the steering wheel to go to the trip. The total odometer must be visible here. Then we're gonna use the return button and the menu button. Press the return button, and after pressing that, keep that press, double press the menu button. So press it, double press the menu button, and you'll see that the surface menu appears on the left side. Press the return button to scroll down to Assist Plus. Press the ignition on. Return button. Surface data. Scroll down to surface. What I do is always confirm surface. Scroll down to the oil grade. Surface carried out. Yes. Confirm. Another confirmation. And it says full surface complete. Do the check. Ignition off. Ignition back on. Go to surface, Assist Plus, and you'll see the next surface is A1 in 20,000 kilometers. This was a G-Wagon 2022. I hope it helped you resetting your car. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.